This is the Milwaukee M18 Multi-Tool, and in this video I'm going to show you how it works, what I use it for, and at the end of the video I'll let you know who I would recommend the Milwaukee M18 Multi-Tool to. So before using it, you'll first have to attach the battery at the bottom here, as all hand power tools do. And then it does have an adjustment for speed. See here, it goes all the way to 12, being the fastest, and then 2 being the slowest speed. So this multi-tool is used for precision cuts in cabinets and drywall. It can be used for sanding, notching wood. The multi-tool works for wood, plastic, and metal. However, it doesn't work great for metal, so I would more so recommend it to be used for wood or plastic. And then how you'll change this top blade here is you'll lift this piece first, and then you'll use a tool, maybe a flathead screwdriver, to take off this blade and replace it. I'm going to close this back. So overall, this is also a really loud tool, which is really typical for the multi-tool. It's also a really powerful tool because of the M18 battery. And overall, I would recommend this to DIYers and different handymen or tradesmen. And that's about everything about the Milwaukee M18 Multi-Tool. I hope this video was helpful.